Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Have some sunny skies out there at the moment with some breezy northeasterly winds, seeing some gusts up around 23 to 25 miles per hour at the moment. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We can see that boundary that pushed through the area yesterday is now off the coast, and we are seeing these clear skies at the moment as high pressure starts to build into the northeast as we go over the next couple of days. Our next significant weather system or precip system will be that system well off to the west that will move into the area late Sunday into Monday. If you look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have some northwesterly winds near the surface, again fairly strong at 27 knots at 1,000 feet, and then becoming more westerly as we go up through the column with the peak wind around 20,000 feet at 32 knots. And the freezing level is at 14,100 feet. Looking at the current visible satellite, we see those clear skies across the region as well as those slightly breezy northwesterly winds across the region additionally. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model over the next 48 hours or so, as we go throughout the day today, expecting mostly sunny conditions. Could see a few clouds build this afternoon, possibly seeing a scattered deck during the afternoon before we'll see those clouds diminish. And then as we go into the evening, we'll see those winds diminish a bit and then move out of the northeast as we have a high pressure building across the northeast part of the country. That's going to tighten up the pressure gradient, increase the winds, and bring in some more low-level moisture where we'll see clouds start to build back in for our Friday morning. Becoming mostly cloudy to overcast for Friday. Expecting things to remain dry. We'll just have a very slight chance of maybe a few sprinkles in the area, nothing impactful or really measurable, but with that low-level moisture, could see some of that occurring, and that will continue as we go through Friday evening and into our Saturday, again remaining mostly cloudy to overcast for much of the weekend. If we zoom out and take a look at the longer forecast, starting off Saturday morning, we see the high pressure built across northeast and that area of low pressure off the southeast coast. That's keeping those winds up with that tight pressure gradient. And as we go into the end of the weekend, things do continue to remain dry, and we see that system from the west start to approach the area as we go into our Sunday and Sunday evening. And then we'll see that chance of precip moving into the area during the day Monday. GFS keeping things quite a bit drier than the European model, so there's some disagreement there, but it looks like our best chance will be to see a chance of a few showers on Monday, and then things look to dry out for our Tuesday and clear out as high pressure starts to build back into the area by the middle of the week, and continue to keep a lock on the area as we go into the end of the week as well. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we're green across the board for weather risk today. We will have those slightly breezy to breezy winds as we go throughout the day, but expecting those winds to stay below the wind advisory criteria. We'll see those northerly winds 9 to 14 knots, we got gusts up to 18, start to diminish a bit as we go through the overnight hours, with some mostly clear conditions becoming mostly cloudy as we get towards the morning hours on Friday with a low around 48. Expecting temperatures to peak around 66 today. Tides are running normal at the moment. We'll see those trend slightly above normal as we get that onshore flow over the next couple of days. Looking at Friday, mostly cloudy to overcast, slightly breezy to breezy. Will be likely the breeziest day of the week, so we do have that yellow chance of seeing winds above 25 knots, expecting a high around 62. Going into Friday evening, continued cloudiness and slightly breezy, again with that very slight chance of the sprinkles in the area. Low around 52, but green across the board for weather risk. In addition to Saturday, we will be green across the board for weather risk with continued cloudy conditions as well as slightly breezy conditions and a high of 63. Looking at the extended forecast as we get into Sunday, we'll have a mostly cloudy and slightly breezy day with a high in the mid-60s. And then we'll see those chances of rain increase overnight Sunday night into Monday, looking at about a 40% chance at the moment. Expecting a high around 69 for our Monday with mostly cloudy conditions. Then we'll see things start to clear out as we go into Tuesday with a low around 58 and a high around 68 with a mostly to partly cloudy day. And then as we go into Wednesday, we should see a mostly clear to mostly sunny day with a high around 69 and starting off with a low around 55. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 to 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.